Hi everyone, welcome back to Boss Coder Academy's YouTube channel. Today we are proud to have another alumni with us who has recently been placed in a great company. Today we have Niranjan on our podcast. He has recently been placed in British Petroleum with a package of more than 50 LPA. So we are going to hear all about how he got placed and how Boss Coder Academy was able to help him in his journey. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Hi everyone, Niranjan has finally joined us. So Niranjan has total of 9 years of experience. Thank you so much for joining, Niranjan. And you have recently got an offer from British Petroleum, right?
Yes.
So how are you feeling right now?
So बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है since I spent around 1.5 year or maybe more than that for preparing myself, and finally it has yielded fruits. So I'm really happy right now.
Right, great, great. And what were you doing before this, Niranjan, and what is this role about?
So I have joined as a software engineer, and before that also I was a software engineer in a different product company, but it was a more of a mid-size product company.
Okay.
So I wanted good opportunities and good better responsibilities because अभी 9 years हो गए हैं, तो I'm looking forward to leading the team and all those things. So उसके लिए मैंने basically switch किया था.
Right. So you said कि you wanted to switch, right? So you must be preparing, I think, before Boss Coder Academy self preparation या कुछ you must be doing. So आप
Yes.
क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing?
सो इसका एक आपको छोटा सा एक किस्सा बताता हूँ. वाई मतलब सब बराबर तो था, ऑलरेडी जॉब थी, देन वाई टू पुट इन हार्ड एफर्ट्स टू अचीव समथिंग एल्स, राइट? सो मेरे दो कलीग्स थे जिन लोगों ने ऑलरेडी प्रोडक्ट कंपनी क्रैक किया था. बोथ ऑफ देम आर नाउ इन अमेजोन. तो उस टाइम पे मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि यार ये तो मेरे ही साथ वाले हैं, राइट? They are working with me, they are working as hard as me, and still they are able to achieve something different, something unique, right? And वहां से फिर मेरी जर्नी चालू हुई कि okay, if they can achieve it, उनके साथ मैंने बात की. They also gave me confidence that you can also do it, and वहां से मेरा preparation चालू हो गया. But there was no structured way of preparing. Okay, that was the main part. So when I told you that I spent almost 1.5 year or maybe more than that, so पहले के जो 7-8 महीने गए हैं ना, that went into that. There was no structure. I was just going through लीड कोड. आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू टन्स ऑफ मटेरियल विच इज अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन, एंड वहां पे कहीं पे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलता है, कहीं पे कुछ मिलता है, राइट? सो आई वाज गोइंग इनटू ऑल द डायरेक्शंस एट द सेम टाइम. इसके लिए कुछ प्रॉपर पाथ नहीं मिल रहा था, एंड दैट्स वेयर आई स्ट्रगल्ड अ लिटिल. उससे कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हुआ.
So Niranjan, you were preparing by yourself, I think, right, for some months, and then you joined Boss Coder Academy. How did you came to know about us?
Okay, so I was going through LinkedIn posts, and some of the people from big tech companies were endorsing Boss Coder. So वहां से मुझे थोड़ा सा क्यूरियोसिटी हुई कि okay, क्या है, let's check it out. And then I attended one of the master classes, and वहां पे पता चला कि this training material is good, trainers are really good. So then I decided कि okay, let's join BCA.
Right, right, right. And Boss Coder आपने जब join करा, what changes did you observe? How was Boss Coder able to help you out in your preparation?
I treat Boss Coder as a coach जिनको बहुत ज्यादा experience है in their field. They know what they are trying to achieve and what they want from their students, right? And they all have gone through the same process. So that helps us, क्योंकि होता क्या है, अगर आप different चीजें try कर रहे हो ना, तो वहां पे आपका struggle बढ़ेगा. But if you have a structured approach, if you have right people to teach you right things, then journey becomes easy.
Definitely.
जो डिफरेंस है, लेट्स से आपको 5 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर करना है, यू हैव सेवरल ऑप्शंस. बट इफ यू कैच अ बस, right, which will take you to that destination, then your journey time becomes less, and थोड़ा structured approach आपको मिलता है. That is the exact thing which BCA did for me.
Okay. That's great. And during this preparation, like you were able to overcome many challenges, right? And how was your experience while like giving interviews at British Petroleum?
ओके, सो पहले मैं जो गलती कर रहा था ना, कि बहुत सारे अलग अलग टाइप के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करूंगा, एंड वो कहीं पे मैं जा नहीं रहा था. सो लाइक इंटरव्यू में दे यूज्ड टू आस्क मी समथिंग डिफरेंट, सम अदर कंसर्न्स, राइट, व्हिच आई वाज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर. एंड उस चक्कर में मेरे 3-4 इंटरव्यू ऐसे ही चले गए, राइट? बट आफ्टर joining BCA, what happened was they used to tell us कि ये पैटर्न कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है, राइट? देन इस पैटर्न को सॉल्व करने के लिए क्या क्या अप्रोचेस लिए जा सकते हैं. देन स्टेप बाय स्टेप वी यूज्ड टू मूव इनटू द मोस्ट ऑप्टिमल अप्रोच, राइट? ये गारंटीड नहीं है कि वही प्रॉब्लम आपको पूछा जाएगा, बट यू नीड टू नो द पैटर्न, राइट? एंड
Right.
वो जो एडिशनल हेल्प होती है, वो आपको कोई ट्रेनर ही हेल्प कर पाएगा. कोई भी रैंडम वीडियो देख के यू कैन नॉट डू इट. आई मीन इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू इट दैट वे.
Correct, correct. And like you mentioned that you need mentors' help in this, right, to for a good guidance, right? So I hope that now that you are a Bosco alumni, I think you will also continue to guide other people as well, like because help others out, right, like yourself.
Yes, yes, of course. क्योंकि even in the sessions as well, I used to ask a lot of questions. I never thought कि ये stupid question है क्या, should I ask it or not? But regardless of that, I used to ask many questions and every question was answered, right? And that gives you confidence क्योंकि treat every problem as if आपको ये interview में पूछा जा रहा है. So that helps you in building. So interview is not a one day process. It is every day process. Every day you have to train yourself कि इस question का answer कैसे दोगे, उस question का answer कैसे दोगे, right?
Right. Niranjan, if you had to rate Bosco Academy's Transformer program from, let's say, 1 to 10, what is the rating that you would give and why?
I think 9 would be the rating from my side. 1 क्यों रख रहा हूँ मैं बाजू में? Because see, everyone has to improve a little, right? Everyone has some scope of improvement. इसके लिए अदरवाइज मेरे जो गोल्स थे वॉट एवर आई वॉन्टेड टू अचीव आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द कोर्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी अचीव दैट सो जस्ट बिकॉज देयर कुड बी अ स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट इसके लिए वो एक पॉइंट में रख रहा हूँ
Right, definitely. I think 9 is a very good score, right, for the program. And definitely there is a lot of room for improvement right now, like that can improve learning experience as well, right? So definitely there is room. And let's say someone wants to join Bosco Academy. So what are the tips that you would like to give to that person?
Okay, first thing is see boss coder or any other course, right? They don't have a silver bullet. Okay, आपको आपकी मेहनत खुद से करनी है. दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जो मैं मेरे कलीग्स को भी बोलता हूँ, जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स को भी बोलता हूँ. आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सटेंड द सेम थिंग टू एनीवन हु वांट्स टू ज्वाइन, वेदर ही और शी इज अ फ्रेशली ग्रेजुएट पर्सन और मेरे जैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा तो भी आपकी मेहनत आपको खुद को करनी है. बट डू इट ऑनेस्टली एंड ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस. फ्रस्ट्रेट मत हो जाना कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. इनिशियली सबको सब चीजें हार्ड जाती है. इवन इजी लेवल प्रॉब्लम्स विल आल्सो टेक आवर्स ऑफ efforts initially. Eventually you get better, and this is a everyday activity. You have to spend some time. See, जो लोग ऐसे हैं जो जॉब कर रहे हैं, you are already spending 9 hours for your current employer, right? You can carve out 1 more hour for yourself. तो ये करना है and honestly effort करना है, plus trust the process. जिस तरीके से कोर्स मूव होगा, जिस तरीके से आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा, it will really help you. ऐसे मत सोचो कि यार इससे क्या हो रहा है, उससे क्या हो रहा है, 4 महीने हो गए, 6 महीने हो गए, right? Don't fall into that trap क्योंकि I strongly believe that magic happens when you don't give up, right? And आपको continuously वो efforts करने पड़ेंगे.
You will have to do the efforts in order to reap the fruit.
Yes,
No one
right.
can do it like for you if you don't make the efforts, right? Yeah.
Right. And see, अगर 100-150 प्रॉब्लम रट्टा मार के इतना इजी होता ना तो हर कोई कर लेता. So what you need to do is you have to put in honest efforts.
Right.
खुद के लिए टाइम दो, खुद के लर्निंग के लिए टाइम दो, एंड बी पेशेंट एंड things will fall into right places.
Definitely. And we are so glad that they are in the right place right now for you, right? You're
Yes.
able to get the placement that you wanted, the offer that you wanted from a long time, right? And we were be able to like a part of that of your learning experience. So thank you so much, Niranjan, for your time today, like for these tips. I think these will be very beneficial for anyone who is listening to them. I hope they pay attention to it, and we hope you have a great career ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And I also wish you all the success and बहुत सारे लोगों का करियर ट्रांसफॉर्म करना. All the best.